Hello friends, good to see you at Globe of ICT YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about SSH. SSH is actually just like RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol. In RDP we access remote system graphically, and with SSH we would access remote system CLI. So we would access CLI, command line interface. So in SSH there are two setups. One is SSH server and another is SSH client. So SSH server gives the access to SSH client. So in Windows 10 the SSH client is installed by default, and SSH server we have to install this from settings in Windows 10. So here very first step, to move in settings, just right over here or click this settings, this one. In settings, go in optional feature. You can see in this apps. In apps and feature, just go in manage optional features. Here you can see this OpenSSH client is installed. These are by default installed in system. So OpenSSH client is installed. So we have to install OpenSSH server from add feature. So here you have to find the OpenSSH server. Here we are. Just install it. This is being installed. So meanwhile we need two things to access the SSH server. One is username, another is IP address. So to find out the server IP address in Windows 10, go in command line and its command is ipconfig/all. Yeah, this one. So here you can find this IP address, this one. This is the IP version 4, 192.168.10.6, and its username is Septem. So how to find its username? It's over here. This is the Septem username. Okay, it's installed now. Just close it. And now second step is to start the its services, OpenSSH server services. So its process name or daemon name is SSHD. Go in services or alt control delete. Go in task manager, open task manager. In services just find SSHD daemon. This one SSHD daemon, this is in running position, so it's already running. Just close it. Now just access this SSH server from command line, because SSH client is already installed. So go in, command, Okay, so just remember the command syntax. First you have to write SSH, then the username to which you want to access. That's it. Then at the red IP address of the SSH server. So this is the command syntax. Just remember. Now you have to hit enter. That's all. it, it would ask you the key phrase, so you have to just say yes. Now here it's asking this username password. You have to give username password. Here we are. So now just go on desktop and see whether these folder and files contain or not. CD desktop. So here we are. Just find this Lenovo folder. Is there Lenovo folder? Yes, this is the Lenovo folder. And is there OBS studio? This is the new folder. This is the new folder in zip10 data, local IP list, local IP list.txt. This is the same. So this is the way to access the SSH server from SSH client. This is Open SSH client. Hope you find it interesting. So if you find it interesting, please do subscribe my channel Globe of ICT and hit bell icon as you can receive the notification. Thank you.